In this video, I'm going to show you how to view the responses from a contact form in Canva. So I have this contact form and I already responded to this contact form using the Canva website that I published. So this is the website that I published from Canva, and I already responded this using these text. So this is the name and this is the suggestion. And I clicked submit, and now I can't submit anymore. So to view the response that I just made, click on the contact form from your actual design, and then click on responses. And then make sure all responses is toggled on. You can also choose just website responses, because you can actually respond to this in your Canva design itself if you want to make like a test response. So that's how you can view your responses, and here's a response. To view responses better, just click on this view responses purple button, and it will show you the response just like this in a table manner. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can view your responses from a contact form in Canva. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.